the marine and the land and everything in between, it's all so connected. You have to look at it as one area. The Great Bear Rainforest is a special place, and that's why we're working so hard to protect it.
We have the responsibility of retaining and protecting the ecological integrity of the territory.
As long as we keep those laws upheld, our way of life will never cease. If there's one thing that I can make sure that my children pass on to the next generations is our way of life. The values that my grandmother's teaching me are the values that her grandmother taught her.
It's important to take Western science and weave it together with what we have, because what it's doing is reaffirming ancient stories and history.
The Canadian identity doesn't exist in an authentic way if there aren't places where there are big trees and grizzly bears and vibrant First Nations cultures, and then there's no one better than us to preserve it, because this is where we're from, this is who we are.
Without salmon, we don't have a culture. Without the language, we don't have the culture. So those things we really need to pay attention to.
We're still here, and there's so much potential for us to do amazing things. This is work that my children are going to be doing, and my children's children are going to be doing. This is what we've always done and what our ancestors have always done.